Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 3 from paper October 2023 Edexcel IAL Pure Mathematics P1. We will go through the problem step by step, ensuring you understand the concepts and techniques needed to tackle similar questions. Question number 3 is write 8 minus root 15 over 2 root 3 plus root 15 in the form of a root 3 plus b root 5, where a and b are integers to be found. Okay, this is a rationalized question, so let's rationalize it. 8 minus root 15 over 2 root 3 plus root 5. Okay, so let's rationalize it. Whenever we rationalize with the denominator and with the opposite sign. So the denominator here is 2 root 3 plus root 5. I can write down 2 root 3 minus root 5. And we divide with the same thing, because when I cancel it out, I'll get the same thing. So this is called rationalizing. Numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. So 8 minus root 15 into 2 root 3 minus root 5. And if I times the denominator, I can first let me write down together. Then in the next step, we expand brackets. Alright. The denominator is much easier, because I'm gonna use the formula, the difference of squares formula in the denominator, which says that if a plus b into a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So let's say if this is a and this is b, so this is a plus b and a minus b. Let's say this is a minus b and this is a plus b, so I can write it as a squared minus b squared. So if I solve the denominator, so that is 2 root 3 whole squared minus root 5 whole squared. And this is for denominator. Okay, this is for denominator. So 2 root 3 is 4 times 3 is 12 and minus 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7. So this is denominator. Now let's multiply numerator. Okay. For numerator, I have double bracket here, and let me rewrite. So 2 root 3 minus root 5. Okay, let's multiply 8 multiply with 2 root 3, and then I multiply 8 with minus root 5. So let's first multiply 8 with 2 root 3. So 8 times 2 is 16 root 3 minus 8 root 5. It's same like if you have x, 2x. So we multiply third with third and we multiply number with number. Now it's time to multiply minus root 15 with 2 root 3. So this would be minus 2 root 3 times root 15. And you can directly straight away use a calculator here. Your calculator will give you simplified answer. So you need to be careful, because in the question it says that solution relying on calculator technology are not acceptable. So you have to show some steps here, but make sure you look at the mark scheme, because sometimes mark scheme tells us which step will give you a score. So let's do the last step. Minus root 15 times with negative root 5 is negative negative positive, and root 5 times root 15. Okay, so 6 root 3 as it is minus 8 root 5. Let's simplify. Let me rewrite this again. Okay, root 3 times root 15. So root 3 times, if you type in a calculator, root 3 times root 15 is equals to 3 root 5. Okay, so root 3 times root 15 is 3 root 5, plus now 5 times, let's check what is 5 times root 15 is 5 root 3. Right, so 16 root 3 minus 8 root 5 minus 2 times 3 is 6 root 5 plus 5 root 3. Let's collect the like terms. So this is root 3, here is root 3, so 16 plus 5 is 21. And here is root 5 and here is root 5. Let's collect the like terms. Minus 8 minus 6 is negative 14 root 5. Okay, let's go back to the fraction and substitute in a fraction to check what is that. So 21 root 3 minus 14 root 5 over the denominator, here we got is 7. Right, let's simplify, because the answer says that, the question says that give your answer in simplest form. So this part is very important. Do not lose A1 here, A1 mark here. So let's simplify 21 here and 14 in the second term. So let's take 7 common. 7 common, so 21 divided by 7 is 3 root 3 minus 14 divided by 7 is 2 and root 5 over 7. So this is cancelled, and 3 root 3 minus 2 root 5. This was the A part from question 3. Now let's look at what is the B part. Hence or otherwise solve. Okay, I have to solve this. Give your answer in simplest form. Okay, this was the answer for simplest form. Okay, this was for the B part. Alright. So, but if you look at the A part that we just did, A root 3 plus B root 5. Is my answer is written in this way? Yes. So I got mixed up with A and B. But this is also, A part is also after simplifying. Basically, it's after simplifying. This is in the simplified form. Right. Okay, let's look at the B part. In the B part, it says x plus 5 root 3 times with root 5 equals to 40 minus 2x root 3. Okay, let's copy the question below. So question B is x plus 5 root 3 and root 5 equals to 40 minus 2x root 3, right? So question says that solve. Solve means I will find the value of x here. To find the value of x, I need to collect the like terms. So I can see I have x here and I have x here. So I will collect x. Before that, I will times root 5 with the whole bracket. So x root 5 plus 5 root 3 times root 5 equals to 40 minus 2x root 3. Simplified, x root 5 plus 5 into root 3 times root 5 is root 15. Equals to 40 minus 2x root 3. Now it's time to collect like terms. So I can see x root 5 is here and 2x root 3 is here. Let's collect the like terms. So x root 5 plus 2x root 3 equals to 40 minus 5 root 15. Okay, here from here take x common, factorize it because I need to solve for x. 2 root 3 equals to 40 minus 5 root 15. Okay, this is 15. Right. So x, because I have to solve for x, this is multiplying, so bring it to the other side. We divide it, and here it is. Okay. The question says hand solve and write your answer in simplest form. Now this part is for B. Simplest form means I cannot leave my answer uh, in this way, because you can see that you have a denominator and it has a surd. The denominator has a surd here, so I have to write down, and I have to write the value of x in form of, like you can say, surd free. So let's make it surd free denominator. So root 15 and root 5 plus root 3. Rationalize, do the same thing as we did before. So root 5 minus 2 root 3 and root 5 minus 2 root 3. Now again times it, and denominator, as I said before, I'm going to use the difference of squares formula. So let's say this is a plus b, this is a minus b, so I can write the denominator with as a squared minus b squared. So this would be root 5 squared minus 2 root 3 whole squared. This is my denominator. So if I look at the numerator, in the numerator I have two brackets. I have two brackets that I need to multiply. So first let's multiply 40 with root 5, and 40, this will be 40 root 5, then times 40 with the minus 2 root 3. So this would be 40 minus 2 is 80 root 3. Okay, now I'm gonna multiply minus 15 root 5 with root 5. So this would be minus 5 and 15 root 15 times root 5. Let's check. Root 15 times root 5 is 5 root 3. So this is 5 root 3. 5 times root 15. 5 times root 15. That, yeah. 5 times, let me, root 15 times root 5 is 25 root 3. I basically multiply it. So here I have 25 root 3. Okay. Then minus 5 root 15 times with negative 2 root 3. So let's multiply it. Negative, negative, positive. 2 times 5 is 10. And this is root 15 times root 3 is 3 root 5. So this is 3 root 5. Or I can straight away write down 30 root 5. Okay, so just straight away write down, because you're using calculator here, so you can straight away write down 30 root 5. Okay, collect like terms. So root 5 here, this is root 5, here is root 5, and this will be 70 root 5 minus 81 negative 25 is 105 root 3, and the denominator is 5 minus 2 times 2 root 3 is 4 times 3, and that is 12. So 5 minus 12 is negative 7. Okay, right. So question says write your answer in simplest form. I can take negative I can take 7 common. So this would be 10 root 5 minus 105 divided by 7 is 15 root 3, and minus 7 cancel with 7, and what is left, root 5 minus root 15 root 3 over negative 1, and if I times with negative 1, I'll get here, this will be negative, this term will be, the first term will be negative and the second term will be positive. So let's write in order. So 15 root 3 minus 10 root 5. Because I times here but with -1. Right. So this was question number 3 from paper October 2023. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel more confident. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Maths channel for more exam tips and maths tutorials. Thanks for watching. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Bye.